When it comes to buying a used car, you want something affordable, dependable, and built to last. The truth is, many vehicles look cheap up front, but end up costing a fortune in repairs. That's why in this video, we're going over 10 reliable cars you can buy for under $8,000 that are known to run for years without breaking down. Let's dive in. 2010 Toyota Corolla. This compact sedan is one of the most trusted cars you can buy on a budget. Known for its simplicity and bulletproof engineering, it delivers exactly what most drivers need: dependable transportation that won't leave you stranded. Under the hood sits a small 4-cylinder engine paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, both tuned for efficiency and durability rather than speed. Owners regularly report these cars reaching 200,000 miles or more with little more than oil changes and basic service. Inside, the design is straightforward but practical, with enough space for daily commuting or small family use. It may not be flashy, but everything works reliably year after year. That's what makes it such a standout choice for anyone looking for a used car under $8,000 that's guaranteed to keep running without draining the wallet. 2012 Honda Civic. This compact car has been a favorite for decades, thanks to its unmatched balance of fuel efficiency and long-term dependability. The 2012 version came with a lightweight 4-cylinder engine that's nearly impossible to kill when properly maintained. It's not about raw power, it's about consistent performance and very low running costs. Many owners proudly report passing the 250,000 mile mark without major repairs, which is rare in this price range. The cabin is simple, but surprisingly comfortable, with supportive seating and clear visibility that makes it easy to drive in the city or on longer trips. Technology was basic but reliable, offering exactly what most drivers needed without the headaches of complex electronics. For buyers looking under $8,000, this model offers peace of mind, affordable upkeep, and years of trouble-free driving. 2011 Toyota Camry. This mid-size sedan is one of the most reliable daily drivers ever built. The 2011 version offered a choice between a dependable 4-cylinder engine and a smooth V6, both designed to handle high mileage with ease. Owners often reach 200,000 miles or more with nothing beyond basic maintenance, which makes it a standout in the used car market. On the road, it delivers a quiet, comfortable ride that's perfect for commuting or long trips. The cabin is roomy, with straightforward controls and plenty of space for passengers. It may not turn heads, but it earns loyalty by being a car you never have to worry about. For anyone shopping under $8,000, this model is a safe bet that will keep running for years without expensive surprises. 2012 Honda Accord. This mid-size sedan has earned its reputation as one of the most dependable cars of its generation. The 2012 version gave buyers the choice of a 4-cylinder engine for efficiency or a V6 for extra power, and both options are well known for lasting well past 250,000 miles when maintained properly. The transmission is just as solid, making it one of the least troublesome cars you can buy in this price range. On the road, it delivers more than just basic transportation. The suspension feels firm but comfortable, giving it a touch of sportiness that makes driving enjoyable. Unlike many competitors that feel dull and uninspired, this car manages to be both reliable and fun behind the wheel. Fuel economy is respectable, especially with the 4-cylinder, making it affordable to run year after year. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that was ahead of its time. There's generous space for both front and rear passengers, supportive seating, and a dashboard layout that's clear and easy to use. Materials are durable, built to withstand daily use without wearing out quickly. And higher trims included features like Bluetooth, navigation, and premium audio. What makes this model special is the way it balances everything. It's reliable, comfortable, efficient, and even a little sporty. For under $8,000, it's hard to find another sedan that offers so much value while keeping ownership costs so low. That's why it remains one of the smartest long-term investments in the used car market. 2014 Mazda 3. This compact car proved that affordable doesn't have to mean boring. The 2014 version stood out in the segment because it offered sharp handling, efficient engines, and a design that still feels modern today. Buyers could choose between a 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, both known for reliability and low maintenance costs. With routine care, it's not unusual to see these engines last well past 200,000 miles without any major repairs. On the road, the driving experience is where this car shines. The steering is responsive, the chassis feels planted, and it brings a sense of sportiness that rivals in the same price range just don't have. At the same time, it's efficient, delivering excellent fuel economy that makes it cheap to run for daily commutes or long trips. Inside, the cabin has a clean, driver-focused layout. The seats are supportive, visibility is good, and higher trims included modern touches like a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium audio options. Materials feel solid and durable, which is important for a car in this budget-friendly category. The real advantage is that you get more than just basic transportation. It's a dependable, economical car, but it also adds personality to the drive. For buyers under $8,000, it's one of the best options for combining long-term reliability with everyday enjoyment behind the wheel. 2011 Toyota RAV4. This small SUV is one of Toyota's most reliable and versatile vehicles. The 2011 version offered two engine choices, a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder and a powerful 3.5-liter V6. Both are incredibly durable, but the V6 is especially respected for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. That engine, paired with Toyota's proven automatic transmission, makes this SUV one of the toughest used vehicles you can buy under $8,000. On the road, it's smooth and predictable. The suspension absorbs bumps without fuss, and handling is easy, whether you're in the city or cruising on the highway. Available all-wheel drive adds confidence in rain or snow, making it a dependable companion year-round. Owners often keep them for over a decade because they just don't develop the costly issues that plague many other SUVs in the same class. Inside, the cabin is practical and surprisingly roomy for its size. It offers good headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers, along with generous cargo space. The rear seats fold flat, adding flexibility for family trips or hauling gear. The interior materials are built to last, resisting the wear and tear of daily use. What sets this SUV apart is how little it costs to own over the years. Fuel efficiency, low insurance rates, and minimal repair needs all add up to major savings. For anyone looking for a reliable, affordable SUV that will stay on the road for years to come, this model is one of the smartest choices in the used market. 2011 Honda CR-V. This compact SUV has long been one of Honda's most dependable models, and the 2011 version shows exactly why it's so popular. Powered by a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission, it isn't flashy, but it is built to last. With basic care, many owners report these SUVs running well past 250,000 miles, without the kind of expensive repairs that often come with other vehicles. On the road, it delivers a calm, predictable ride. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making it easy to live with on daily commutes or long family trips. Steering is light and responsive, giving it a confidence that appeals to both new and experienced drivers. Available all-wheel drive adds peace of mind in tough weather conditions, making it a practical year-round option. The cabin is one of its strongest selling points. With roomy seating for 5, excellent visibility, and plenty of cargo space. It works as well for families as it does for commuters. The interior layout is simple and user-friendly, with controls that are easy to reach, and materials that hold up well over time. What makes this SUV special is its reputation for being a no-drama vehicle. It rarely surprises owners with costly issues. It's cheap to maintain, and it delivers a sense of security, knowing it will start every morning without hesitation. For under $8,000, it's a perfect blend of practicality, affordability, and legendary Honda reliability. 2012 Toyota Highlander. This midsize SUV is built for families who want space and dependability without high ownership costs. The 2012 version came with a reliable V6 engine that delivers plenty of power and a smooth ride. With 3 rows of seating, it's flexible enough for larger families, yet still easy to drive compared to bulkier SUVs. Owners love it because it rarely needs anything beyond basic service, even with high mileage. For under $8,000, it's one of the most dependable family haulers you can buy. 2011 Toyota Toyota Tacoma. This pickup has a legendary reputation for toughness. The 2011 model is simple, durable, and capable of handling work duty, commuting, or even off-road adventures without complaint. Many examples on the road today have well over 200,000 miles, proving its long-term reliability. It may not be the biggest truck, but it's one of the most trusted, making it a smart buy for anyone who needs a dependable pickup under $8,000. 2013 Nissan Altima. This mid-size sedan gave buyers a mix of comfort, efficiency, and long-term reliability. The 2013 version featured both a 4-cylinder and a V6 option, both capable of handling serious mileage when maintained. It's comfortable, fuel-efficient, and inexpensive to own compared to many of its competitors. For budget-conscious drivers, it's a strong choice that delivers reliable transportation without the risk of big repair bills.